Very good morning, students. Today I am going to describe the lecture 10 on quantum physics or quantum mechanics. In the previous lectures we have been discussing the various concepts regarding the de Broglie matter wave, mathematical representation of wave function, significance of wave function, as well as Schrodinger time dependent and independent wave equations, and then remaining aspects, that is applications of Schrodinger wave, that is particle in a potential box. Now in this class we are going to learn regarding the basic difference between the classical bit and quantum bit. So if you observe the classical bit, the name itself indicates that classical bit. Bit is nothing but, you are familiar with the in your C programming, that is binary digit. So classical bit is either 0 or 1. Coming to the quantum bit, it is the combination of 0, 1 as well as combination of both. Now we will look at the basic differences between the classical bit and the quantum bit. The first difference is, if you observe carefully, the first one is classical bit is nothing but either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. Whereas quantum bit generally it represents the ket vector of 0 or ket vector of 1. This is the representation of classical bit. Quantum bit. Or it is the combination of both. Or in other words, we can say that that is ket of psi is equal to alpha 1 into ket vector of 0 plus alpha 2 into ket vector of 1. This is regarding the representation of states. In the classical bit representation of state, this is the quantum bit representation of state. And the second important difference is classical bit is a scalar. It is a scalar one. Whereas quantum bit is a vector in two-dimensional space. And the third important difference between the classical bit and quantum bit is probability. If you observe the probability of classical bit, the probability of this particular classical bit is always 1. Whereas the probability of quantum bit or qubit. Quantum bit can also be written as qubit. Probability of qubit is modulus of alpha 1 square plus modulus of alpha 2 square is equal to 1. This is the probability of quantum bit. Now coming to the fourth difference between the classical bit and quantum bit. This classical bit is always discrete in nature. What does it mean? You know that discrete, energy is discrete, charge is discrete, that means quantized. Discrete in the sense there is a specific number. Whereas this particular quantum bit or qubit is continuum, that is opposite for the discrete, that means which is a continuum in the sense it may be 0 or 1 or it may be combination of both, or it may take any value between the 0 and 1. That means it may take 0.1, 0.2 up to 0.9 and 1. or it may take 0.01, 0.002, 0.003 and so on, 0.009 and 0.1, 0.11, like that it can take any value between 0 and 1. That is the continuum. And the fourth important difference between the classical bit and the quantum bit is, fifth one. Classical bit is either 0 or 1. That means here the first point is the classical bit state, and the classical bit is one of the states of 0 and 1. This is the classical bit value, that is 0 or 1. And then whereas Q bit is ket 0 or ket 1, or we can represent this particular quantum state with this particular notation only. And then Q bit is either 0, ket 0, ket 1, or it is the combination of both. That means it may take any value between these two, or combination of ket 0 and ket 1. This is the another important difference between the classical bit and the quantum bit. And then coming to the sixth important difference. In classical computer, any one of the states is possible. Classical computer, any one of the states is possible. Whereas if you observe the quantum computer, this is any one of the states is possible at a time. This is important. Whereas in the case of quantum computer, it is the combination or interference of the two states is possible. That means interference of the two states or combination of two states is possible at any time. That is one more difference between the classical bit and quantum bit. And then the next important difference is the classical computer utilizes only non-negative numbers for the representation of data. It uses only non-negative numbers. Whereas quantum computer, it uses the complex numbers to represent the data. And then this is one more difference between the classical bit and the quantum bit. And then coming to the eighth difference, that is the superposition of, there is a superposition of classical bit. That is, generally classical bit can take 2 power n possible value. At any time, superposition of classical bit. That means at any time 2 power n is, or one of the possible is 2 power n. Whereas in the quantum, that may take the value of 2 power n different states. This is only one of the state of 2 power n values can take. Here 2 power n different states can be possible. possible at a time. Here only one of the state is possible among the 2 power n states, but here at a time. But whereas in the quantum bit 2 power n different states can be possible at a time. These are the differences between the classical bit and the quantum bit. And the one more difference is classical bit is a discrete state, whereas quantum bit is the possibility combination of all the classically allowed states. This is discrete, or it represents the discrete state, whereas the qubit is a superposition of all the classically allowed states. Superposition of all the classically allowed states. So these are the differences between the classical bit and the quantum bit. So I would like to summarize this. Classical bit is nothing but a binary digit, classical binary digit. Quantum bit is nothing but a quantum binary digit. So classical bit state can be represented as either 0 or 1. Quantum bit can be represented as ket of psi equal to alpha 1 into ket of 0 plus alpha 2 into ket of 1, where alpha 1 and alpha 2 are what we call it as probabilities or probability constants or probability amplitudes. Whereas classical bit is a scalar, quantum bit is a vector in 2D. Whereas the probability of classical bit is always 1. The probability of quantum bit is the modulus of alpha 1 square plus modulus of alpha 2 square equal to 1. Whereas classical bit is a discrete, whereas quantum bit is a continuum. Classical bit value is either 0 or 1. Quantum bit value is either ket of 0, ket of 1, or it is a combination of any value between the 0 and 1. And then classical computer have any one of the states is possible at a time. Any one of the states is possible at a time. That means single state is possible at a time. Whereas the quantum computer, interference of these two states, that is ket 0 and ket 1 states can be possible. And the classical bit or classical computer uses the non-negative numbers to represent the algorithm or data. Whereas quantum computer uses the complex numbers to represent the states or data. And one more difference is the states, classical state, any one of the state is possible among the 2 power n possibilities. Whereas 2 power n different possibilities are there at a time. In the for the quantum, this is called quantum entanglement. And last one is the classical state is a discrete state, whereas the quantum state is a superposition of all the classically allowed states. All of you note on it.